Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you the live trade, what I did today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. And before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yes, today is 26th of October. So right now the time is around 9:10. So let me just quickly go to the pre-open market and see how it is opening today. So pre-open order has been closed, so 26th of October. So yes, not much of a moment here. So Nifty 50 is opening at only 0.76% up, that is at 11,937.40%, and advances stocks are 33 and declines are 15 and unchanged stocks are 2. Okay, so the stocks which are opening in a gap up section are Nestle India with 2.11% up, Indus India Bank with 1.46% up, and Kotak Bank with 1.15% up. So let's see the stocks which are opening the downtrend. So yes, JSW Steel with 2.26% down, Tech M with 2.15% down, and Reliance with 0.53% down. So yes, this is how the pre-open market is looking today. So just in few minutes, I'll be doing a live trading. So in that, I'll be telling you which stock I'll be selecting and where I'll be entering. Okay, so stay tuned for that. So we'll be doing a live trade today. So guys, right now I selected JSW Steel to trade. Okay, so yes, not yet taken any entry yet. So Nifty 50 chart is looking like this as of now. So the time is almost like 9:25 now. Okay, so market is like minus 0.22% down now, and JSW Steel is also coming down. I guess it's around 313 now. So I've not yet taken any entry yet. So once I take entry, I'll update you guys. So the stock what I selected to trade today is on JSW Steel, and we'll be doing a trade on this stock. So we'll see how this will perform. So guys, the stock is coming down. As you guys can see, it is not going up. So I'm planning to short sell JSW Steel around 309. So it's still at 309.80. So once it reaches 309, I'll take a short sell entry. So it went to 310 now. So not yet taken any entry. So 309 is where I'll be taking my short sell position entry. So we'll wait for it. So guys, as you can see, it's around 309.25. So I guess 309 has been touched. So 309.25 has touched. So waiting for 309 to touch. So again it was back to 310. So let's see when it will touch 309. So I'm still waiting for the trigger. So guys, I guess it will touch now 309, and as you guys can see, the sellers are more now, 7 lakh of sellers almost, like 1 lakh difference is there almost. 309.7060, it's still fluctuating, but it might come down. Even if you can see a Nifty 50 is like 0.22% down now, so we'll see. Point 50, 0.45, it's fluctuating there. So once it breaks it, it should go down, I guess. So we'll see. 30 has been touched now. Even the Nifty 50 is also going down. So as you can see at the top left, minus 30%, 0.30% down. Nifty 50. I guess there is some strong support there at 309 somewhere, so that's why it is fluctuating a lot. But once it breaks that, the stock can go down. So just waiting for that to happen here. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is just like fluctuating around 309.3, 4 and 5. 309.506040 again. So yes, this will take some time to break, so we will have to wait for this. So guys, yes, as you guys saw, there was a quick movement drop on 309, so that's why I said there was a strong support. So when the support got broke, it is continuing to go down. As you guys can see, it was around 309.2530. Suddenly it came down to 308.50, and now it is continuing to go down. So shorted on 309, so keeping the 0.5% target again, like almost 1 to 1.5 rupees. So almost 308 has been touched. So yes, 307.70 now. So if you guys can see, so 307.35, yes, so 0.5% target is achieved here. If you guys can see, it was a very quick move. So this is the good analysis what you need to make to trade before you take. So so sometimes your entry might take time to come, but once your entry comes, there'll be a sudden movement, a quick movement. So you need to catch this kind of movements in intraday trading to make a quick profits and regular profits. So okay, so yes, as you guys can see, it touched my 0.5% target, and we'll see how far it will go down. So 307.50 has been touched, which is like almost 0.5% target. So guys, 307 is a low mid as of now. So yes, the stock is continuing to go down as we predicted. So continuous downtrend here. So because of if you just see in a smaller time frame candle, the stock was making lower lows, now higher highs were making. So that's why I decided to take a short sell entry, and 306.90 as of now, 75. So yes. So when the stock was reaching 309, there was a strong support, so that wise was bouncing back to 310, 310.5, but it couldn't keep that hold. So again, the sellers came here, the sellers came in a more quantity. The short sell has been achieved here correctly. Okay, so yes, so almost like 306.7 is a low mid as of now. So guys, if you can see here, there is a small retracement here, and the stock is back to 308.20, but no issues. I just managed to exit this stock around 307, and I booked my profit. Okay, so this was the profit what I was able to book today in today's trade of JSW Steel, and this was the call what was given to my clients also, even they booked the profit. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit like this in intraday trading. So guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. You can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be telling you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, by being said that, now let me show you the client screenshot of profit what they shared with me. So JSW still 5,507 rupees profit, 2,312 rupees profit, 1,746 rupees profit, and 1,867 rupees profit. So these are the profit what my clients were able to book today in today's trade of JSW Steel. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribe. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.